Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Hua. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy panko shrimp. Stay tuned for the recipe. I'm making a few slits into the belly of the shrimp so that it can help it lay straight, so when I deep fry later, it won't curl up. The first step is to transfer the shrimp into the flour station. Make sure all the shrimp are evenly coated. Then you want to transfer it to the egg station, and the reason why we floured it first is so the egg can stick onto the flour. And once all the shrimp has been evenly coated with the egg, then you want to transfer it to your panko station. Make sure you get all the panko coated onto the shrimp, and that's why we flour, egg, and then do the panko. All you have left to do is to repeat the same process, 1, 2, 3, flour, egg, panko, until you're done with all the shrimp. Now I'm choosing to shallow deep fry. I have some cooking oil here. If you would prefer to air fry this, you are more than welcome to do it. I'm going to deep fry it for 2 to 3 minutes and then flip it on the other side and then deep fry it for another 2 minutes. So it should only take you the max 5 minutes for your panko shrimp to be all cooked through. All you have left to do is to transfer the panko shrimp onto a plate that's lined with some paper towel so it can absorb any extra oil. I'm also going to show you how to make a quick dipping sauce. You will need 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. If you have Japanese mayo, that would be perfect. But if you don't, just use any kind of mayonnaise, and 2 tablespoons of sriracha. If that's too spicy, then just add 1. And if you want a touch of sweetness, add in a teaspoon of honey. I hope you guys are enjoying my 12 Days of Christmas series. This is day 7. Please make sure to come back tomorrow for day 8 to see what I am cooking or baking. Thanks so much, you guys. Happy holidays.